It's time for access control to do more than secure entry points. Kisi takes the best parts of cloud computing, physical security, and IoT to deliver a secure, scalable, and intuitive access control solution. It all starts with a stellar user experience. Unlock with a swipe, tap, or wave of your hand in as little as 0.3 of a second. The Kisi Reader Pro works with a variety of industry standard credentials, including keycards, smartphones, and the Apple Watch. You can install Kisi where you need it most, on doors, elevators, turnstiles, or garage gates. With fast, frictionless entry, Kisi is almost invisible to users and visitors, but that doesn't mean you have to sacrifice important admin functionalities. All of your admin workflows happen in the cloud-based Kisi dashboard. It creates a scalable platform that streamlines employee operations and facility workflows. Our cloud-based infrastructure is the engine that can manage multiple users, doors, and spaces from a single dashboard from anywhere in the world. This security hub in your browser or mobile device helps you consolidate your administrative workload while reducing or eliminating the need for on-premise troubleshooting. Kisi has an ever-expanding library of features and integrations to streamline facility and user management. These features help you keep a finger to the pulse of your spaces without the need for tedious manual management. Automation and advanced customization let you tailor Kisi to your business. You can even connect Kisi to the rest of your tech stack through supported integrations. Software including Active Directory, identity management systems, single sign-on, and shared space management can be connected to Kisi to make management even easier.